everybody, my name is Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. We're here with Matt Collins of the Matt C Group, powered by eXp Realty. And what we wanted to talk about today, real briefly, is the change in the market, right? So we've seen some of the ups and downs. We've seen things kind of slowing just a touch. What is different about buying a house now?
So the market has definitely changed, no, undoubtedly. But we're actually able to start negotiating again, right? So things like offer price, occupancy, inspections. Now we're starting to see these become a factor. 6 months ago, it was just please take my offer, and anything the seller wanted, we were willing to concede to. But now the buyer's starting to have a little more teeth, right? We've got a little more negotiation skills. Tell me, what are some things on your side?
So a lot of what we see now is there's seller concession again, meaning the seller's helping to pay some of your closing costs. Before that was totally done.
Right.
There was nothing. In fact, you were offering above list price, just still praying that you get the house.
Yeah.
There was no such thing as seller concession. But now we're starting to see it come back in, not on every contract, but it is definitely more often than it was.
Yeah. So buyers, take note. When we're buying a home, we have more power than we did just even a few months ago. Yeah. So I hope this helps. If you enjoyed what you see, please like and subscribe below. And until next time.